Hello lovelies, welcome to our channel Air Varieties. Today we are going to prepare plantain ginger belly fat remover, and it's an overall detox tea. So this is our plantain. What we are going to do is we are going to cut it into pieces. Yes, so let's go. You can do research and find out what plantain and its skin or peel does. So that's what we are doing now. Belly fat, it burns it fast and it gives you overall health benefits. So if you're having a problem with your belly and the fat, so I'm putting it in my pot. I love this pot because it's alkaline in nature, and so it's going to add more nutritional value to my tea. So now I'm with the ginger. I'll cut it with the ginger. I'm using it with its peels as well because it's also healthy. I'll pour it inside. And now my lemon, I also cut that into pieces. Lemon is a very good detoxifier, but then some who are in blood type O, it's not good for them. So when you use any of these lemons and it's not helping you in your detox, know that it is your blood type. So what I will need right now is cloves. Yes, I'll add 1 tablespoon to it, and then I need 1 cup of water and a half, which will take me for 3 days. So I'll cover and then put it on fire. So after 10 minutes, you are going to strain everything. So lovelies, after straining our plantain detox tea for flat belly, it's ready. Yeah, if you like, you can add 1 tablespoon full of organic honey to it. First thing in the morning, on an empty stomach before you eat, and last thing before you go to bed. So if you are able to do this consistently for 2 weeks, you see how your belly fat will be flushed out with other toxins from the body, and you have a complete healthy body. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.